This property is a 5-bedroom, 3 full baths, and 1/2 bath home. This property is listed for $1,095,000. Interior features of this property include an open floor plan, a separate laundry room, wood flooring, a sunroom, a great room, an eat-in kitchen, multi-unit zoned central air conditioning, built-in bookshelves, a heat pump, vaulted ceilings, French doors, a family room, recessed lighting, a gourmet kitchen, a kitchen island, and skylight. On the outside, this property features an attached garage, a water view, a porch, and waterfront access. Community amenities include boat facilities.